Hi, this is from Source University. This is a job opening for the technology senior data analyst engineering for the company Providence, India. The location is India. They are looking for bachelor's degree in computer science, information or related field, experience working in market campaign and digital marketing like CRM and healthcare data is desirable. At least 5 plus years of experience as a Power BI developer with a strong background and data warehouse, data architecture and data modelizing and visualizing is required. The second technology is senior developer in Power BI for the company Trigyn. The location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. The key responsibilities are building analysis service reporting models, developing visual reports like KPI, scorecard, and dashboards using Power BI desktop. The responsibilities are 67 years of total experience in BI, 5 plus years of hands-on experience in BI. The education is a computer science, computer engineering graduate is required. The third technology is Power BI developer for the company WovV Technology. The location is Mumbai. The experience needed is 3 plus years. The key responsibilities are deployment is mandatory, analyzing complex business requirements and developing data visualization and report to provide insight to decision maker. And the fourth technology is senior developer for the company London Stock Exchange Group. So the location is Bangalore. They are expecting 4 to 5 years of experience in designing, developing, and maintaining BI models and report dashboards and Tableau. And the fifth technology is Power BI consultant for the company Infosys Limited. The location is Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. The responsibilities is as a part of Infosys consulting team, your primary role would be to actively aid the consulting team in different phases of the project includes. The links will be given in the video description, so you can upload it directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.